almost everything needs work. Any 100-year-old house needs work. Any 100-year-old piece of furniture pretty much needs work. And in furniture, sometimes people think it should be left alone, but really, furniture, finishes, joints, they need work. And every 50, 75 years, they last a long time. Chairs need re-gluing, varnishes break down, and to recycle things from the past for today's lifestyle is really what we do. Our customers mostly are driven by the function, but beauty is a very strong supporting role. I mean, the piece has to speak to them or charm them. I'll say you can eat on any table, you know, but we think very hard about a dining table because it's for people we care about, and it's for special occasions, and it needs to be meaningful. It's very hard to work on these things if you don't admire the art and love the wood. Our people really, they love working on it, and they're truly artists. Because otherwise, if it doesn't inspire you or it's not meaningful, it's hard to do a good job because you have to pay attention. Every piece is different. Every side is different because of sun and weather. And everything has to be in steps. Carpentry first, then finishing, then upholstering, say. Then hardware goes back on. It's a very sequential thing. So our people are all specialists, but they're a team. And there's no piece that only one hand has touched. It's a wonderful thing to think that something has endured, for a century, sometimes 2, 3 centuries. And it's a sort of a very green and kind of civilized notion that we're taking care of these things and recycling them and using them, and they have new meaning and purpose for another family.